No ties. No novelty mugs. No gift sets that sit unopened for 3 years. 5 Father's Day gifts from Amazon in 2026 that actually get used every single week. From a toolkit that covers every DIY job to a foot massager that genuinely earns its keep after a long day. Links in the description. Let's get into it. Welcome to Unbox Daily, where we find the products that actually deliver. 5 Father's Day gifts, number 1 to number 5. Let's go. The most useful thing you can give any dad who does anything around the house. The DCK240 C2 combo kit includes a 20-volt, max half-inch drill driver and a quarter-inch impact driver. The 2 tools that handle the overwhelming majority of household drilling, fastening, and DIY jobs between them. The drill delivers 300 watts of power across 2 speeds for controlled driving and fast drilling. The impact driver handles lag bolts, deck screws, and anything that stalls a regular drill. Both tools are compact enough to fit in tight spaces. Both have built-in LED work lights, and both run on the same 2 included 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, which are also compatible with the entire DEWALT 20-volt max lineup. Everything packs into an included contractor bag. 3-year warranty, 90-day money-back guarantee. Currently discounted significantly on Amazon from its usual price. For any dad who owns a home, this is the practical gift that gets reached for constantly. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. We find the best Amazon gifts and products every single day. The coffee mug that actually keeps coffee hot, or cold drinks cold, for hours. The YETI Rambler 30-ounce uses double-wall vacuum insulation with 18/8 stainless steel construction to maintain temperature significantly longer than any standard thermos or travel mug. The mag slider lid uses a magnet to slide open and close cleanly without leaking. And it is dishwasher safe, which matters for daily use. The 30-ounce capacity handles a proper coffee portion plus room for cream. Sweat-free exterior stays dry on a desk or in a cup holder. Available in a wide range of colors and customizable with YETI's personalization options for a genuinely thoughtful gift. For the dad who is tired of cold coffee by the second sip. The YETI Rambler. 30 ounces is the gift that gets used every single morning. That is linked 2 in the description. Tap it now. For the dad who camps, road trips, tailgates, or simply wants power wherever he goes, the Jackery Explorer. 300 Plus is the most complete portable power station at its size and price. A 288 watt-hour LiFePO 4 battery delivers 300 watts of pure sine wave AC output across 2 outlets, running a laptop, CPAP machine, mini projector, or portable fridge without issue. 2 USB CPD ports, 2 USB-A ports, and a 12-volt car outlet cover every device he carries. Recharges from 0 to 80% in 1.8 hours via wall outlet, or via a Solar Saga 100 solar panel in around 3 hours for off-grid use. At 7.8 pounds, it is genuinely portable. Fits under an airplane seat. LED display shows input, output, and battery percentage in real time. For any dad who spends time outdoors or wants emergency backup power at home, this is the gift that solves a real problem. The massage gun that converts even the most skeptical dads into daily users within a week. The Cuishle delivers percussion therapy across 5 speed settings from 1,200 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, with 6 interchangeable head attachments covering every muscle group: quads, back, shoulders, calves, and forearms. The ergonomic angled handle lets him reach his own back, glutes, and hamstrings without help. A quiet brushless motor keeps noise at an acceptable level during evening use. Up to 6 hours of battery life on a full charge via USB. At around $50 on Amazon, significantly below the branded alternatives with comparable performance, the Cuishle is the recovery gift that gets picked up and used after every workout, long day standing, or weekend spent in the garden. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. The foot massager that foot massager skeptics change their minds about. The MMF07 uses a high-powered oscillating foot pad with 2 speed settings to deliver deep tissue-style vibration massage across the entire foot simultaneously. No moving parts to position, no buttons to hold down. 1 minute of use on the highest setting produces a noticeably different feeling in tired, achy, or swollen feet. FDA registered. Originally designed for neuropathy and circulation improvement. The dual-speed motor generates enough intensity to genuinely impact blood flow, making it useful beyond simple relaxation for dads who stand all day, run, or have circulatory concerns. Compact and portable at 5.3 pounds. Plug-in operation means no batteries to manage. For the dad who is on his feet all day and has never treated himself to proper foot recovery, this is the gift he will reach for every evening. That is link 5 in the description, the last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. We find the best Amazon gifts every single day, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. A toolkit he will use for years, the coffee mug that keeps every drink at the right temperature, portable power for wherever he goes, a percussion recovery gun for after a long day, and a foot massager that earns its place in the living room every evening. 5 gifts he will actually use. All 5 links are in the description. I will catch you in the next one.